Hi there, thank you for checking out our poster. Starting on our background, when we were researching our ethnography, we realized that there's a lack of research regarding Gen Z and their travel habits. This is likely due to Gen Z just now coming of age and booking flights for themselves rather than just family trips. Gen Z being the years 1995 to 2012 make up nearly 74 million people in the United States alone, and as they grow older, their need to travel changes too. There are four main characteristics of Gen Z consumers: a focus on innovation, an insistence on convenience, a desire for financial security, and a tendency towards escapism. Many of these characteristics lean towards a frequent flyer. For our hypothesis, we would like to ask if Gen Z would significantly benefit from being provided an innovative travel app compared to other age groups. Specifically, what we're testing are ages 18 to 24. Because Gen Z are widely known as digital natives, a travel app could encourage them to book more flights. And as Gen Z becomes young adults and travel more, Southwest Airlines needs to target this generation better to promote long-term customer retention, as an overwhelming attraction towards Southwest Airlines was shown through the majority of our respondents. Our survey was taken by 80 participants, 58.8% of which were UNLV students and 55% of which were members of Gen Z, specifically ages 18 to 24. The sample spread helped us mainly identify Gen Z and their interest in a travel app, but also allowed us to compare the need of one possibly throughout other older generations as well, since they make up 45% of survey respondents. Our sample helped us identify the relationship between Gen Z and preferred benefits in air travel, which would be crucial for our results.
First, through ethnography, which is understanding how social relationships work through digital environments, we studied Southwest Airlines through their social media pages, review sites, and travel forums. With this information, we were able to track how Southwest interacts with their customers and how they relate to their mission statement, which is dedication to the highest quality of customer service delivered with a sense of warmth, friendliness, individual pride, and a company spirit. Their mission statement definitely rings true to our results. Through convenience sampling, which is a type of non-probability sampling that involves a sample being drawn from that part of the population that is close to hand, we were able to monitor Gen Z's positive perception of Southwest Airlines over our 10-week survey study through Qualtrics and SPSS. On the left side of our results section, we posted a chart that showed what percentage of people would benefit from each new type of airline innovation. As you can see, almost 50% of our survey takers said a new innovative flying app would be extremely likely to enrich their flying experience. So we decided to run a test to determine if people in certain age categories, such as Gen Z, would be more likely to benefit from an innovative flying app compared to other generations, such as Millennials or Gen X. A one-way between subjects ANOVA test was conducted to compare the effect of age on how much they believed a new innovative app would enrich their flying experience in age groups 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, and 65 to 74. After running the ANOVA test, it was concluded that there was indeed a significant effect on age on how much a new innovative app would enrich consumers' flying experiences. After that, we ran a chef test, which showed us that age groups 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 to 54 would significantly have their flight experience enriched by a new flying app compared to 55 to 64 and 65 to 74. However, people age 18 to 24 do not differ significantly compared to people between 25 to 54 years old. So people who are age 18 to 54 would have their flight experience enriched by a new app, but people who are 55 to 74 would not. After conducting our research and analyzing the data, we've come to a few conclusions that resulted in a call for further research. According to the chef test that was ran, it was concluded that Gen Z ages 18 to 24 would significantly have their flight enriched by an app compared to ages 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 to 54. However, in comparison to baby boomers ages 55 through 64 and 65 to 74, they would. We recommend that Southwest Airlines develop an app to target age groups 18 to 54 since they would significantly have their flight experience enriched from an innovative new app. This brings a call for further research on what kind of features and capabilities this innovative app would possess. We would like to thank Professor Ada for her guidance throughout our research. This project's contents are solely the responsibility of its authors and do not necessarily represent Southwest Airlines.